Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Wa iza ja'atuhum ayatun, when there comes to them a sign from Allah, qalu lan nu'mina hatta nu'ta misla ma utiya Rasulullah. They say, we shall not believe until we receive one exactly like those received by Allah's messengers. Allahu a'lamu haythu yaj'alu risalata. Allah knoweth best where to place His mission. Sayusibul lazina ajramu sigharun indallahi wa azabun shadidun bima kanu yamkurun. Soon will the wicked be overtaken by humiliation before Allah and a severe chastisement for all their plots. Sadaqallahul Azim. Jazakallah.